Good day everyone. In this video today I will show you how to make a TikTok with multiple videos. So to do this, what you have to do, you just open your TikTok app. So when done, click on the plus icon, which is this one right here. So when done, you can then select the videos which you want to use. Click right here to continue, then select the video. So let's say I want to use multiple video. You have to click on this select multiple right here, and you can then select the videos. As you can see, I've just selected these two videos. So when done, click on next. So when done, click on this icon right here to continue. As you can see, so you can just come right here. If you want to split or cut some video, some part of this video, you can just come right here and cut it. So let's say I just need, for the second video, I need from this place to 15 seconds right here. So what you have to do to crop, you just click on edit at the bottom right here, then click on split. Then you can then delete this part right here. Click on it, click on delete. As you can see, that has been deleted. So when then you can then click on next at the top right here, then you can then post the video. So that's how to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.